Now, very good morning, children. Can you all see me? Can you all see me? Okay. Now, see, children, we have already completed Act 2, Scene 2, and after studying Act 2, after going through Act 2, Scene 2, we have realized that this act has taken place in another part of the island. So, first important thing about this act will be takes place in another part of the island. Now, in another part of the island means the place where the scene has taken place is different from the place where previous scene had taken place. That is, in this scene, we have come across the fact that the characters who were there in previous scene, they are not here in this scene, so that means they are at a different place. Then secondly, we have come across the fact that this scene was full of comedy. This was a very comic scene, so it has provided an ease in the atmosphere and ease in the tension that was created in previous scenes. So we can say that it is a humorous interlude which supplies some comic relief. We can say it is a humorous interlude which provides some comic relief. I have said that this scene this scene acts as a humorous interlude. Humorous interlude means the tension that was created in previous scenes, it has released the tension and it has provided a sort of humor in the play, and it has eased the tension which was already created in previous scenes. So it has acted as a bridge between tension and humor. That is why we have said we can say that it is a humorous interlude. That is, this scene, Act 2, Scene 2, is a humorous interlude as it provides some comic relief to the drama. Some comic relief means it is full of comedy. There is nothing very serious about this scene. We have come across the characters in this scene, that is Caliban, Stefano and Trinculo, and all of them have provided comedy. All of them have interacted with each other, and their interaction was a very humorous one for the readers. Then we can say Caliban here comes to stand for the exploited colonial people who got infected with the voices of civilization. Caliban here represents those people who were exploited by upper class. Caliban reflects those people who were exploited by upper class during colonial rule. How we can say this? Because we have come across the fact that Caliban no more wants to serve Prospero as a servant, because he says that Prospero was in fact very rude. Prospero was very much imposing upon Caliban, and whatever work was assigned to Caliban by Prospero, it had to be done by him at any cost, and he was a tyrant. He was a tyrant monster. He was a tyrant master. That's why Caliban doesn't want to be. That's why Caliban doesn't want to be a servant to to Prospero anymore. Then we can say that the focus is on Caliban's essential nature. This scene focuses on Caliban's essential nature. That is, Caliban is a beast who is in desperate need of freedom, and he doesn't want to serve Prospero, who according to him is a very tyrant person. Scene focuses mainly on Caliban's essential nature. That is, essential nature means Caliban's desire for freedom. In this scene, we have come across the fact that at various stages, Caliban has expressed his desire not to serve Prospero anymore, and in fact become slave to Stefano, who according to him is a better person to be a slave to rather than being a slave to Prospero, who according to Caliban was a very tyrant person. So all these points are dealt with in the scene. That is, first point, the scene takes place in another part of the island. Then two more characters are introduced in the scene. They are Stefano and Trinculo. And then we can say that introduction of these two characters, that is Stefano and Trinculo, has provided some comic relief. Some comic relief means the tension that was created in previous scenes of the play. This scene has sort of acted as a comic scene, and it has eased the tension that was created in the previous scenes. It is not a very serious scene, it is full of humor and comedy. Then next we can say that Caliban's desire for freedom proves the dominance of upper class over lower class and middle class during the colonial period, and how they used to sort of have control over lower class and middle class. Then we can say that scene focuses mainly on Caliban's essential nature, that is Caliban's desire for freedom and Caliban's unwillingness to serve someone who was very tyrant by nature, that is Prospero. Is this much clear to all of you? If it is clear, give thumbs up. Give thumbs up in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Thank you, children. Next, let us discuss few questions. Now, as we had discussed points regarding Act 2, Scene 2, and one of the points in that was this scene focuses mainly on Caliban's innate nature. So, the obvious question that can be formed from this scene is, what impression do you form of Caliban? What impression do you form of Caliban? The obvious question that can be made from this scene is, what impression do you form of Caliban? Caliban is representative of those people. In the scene, Caliban is representative of those people who were dominated by upper class and powerful people, and Caliban represents man's desire for freedom. And that is why Caliban has expressed in this scene to Stefano that he would be happy serving Stefano rather than serving Prospero, who has actually controlled him and asked him to perform very menial tasks throughout the day. So here we can say Caliban is one of the most interesting characters of the play, because Caliban has sort of provided impetus, platform to proceed and platform to release the atmosphere and connect various scenes together. So we can say that Caliban is one of the most important character of the play, and then when you are writing this answer, you can take some some portion of Act 1, Scene 2. Also over here, when you are writing this answer, that is, what impression do you form of Caliban? You can write about how he was introduced in the play. That is, he is a son of witch Sycorax, and then he has learned language from Prospero. And then Prospero, when he had got control over this island, he had made Caliban his slave. But Caliban never wanted to be Prospero's slave, because according to him, he was actually the inherent ruler of this island, and Prospero has taken away this island from him as a result of cheat, you can say. And that is why he doesn't want to be doesn't want to be a servant to Prospero, because he thinks that he was the one who actually must have been the commander or the controller of this island. And then he says that through Act 2, Scene 2, we can say that Caliban has proved that he doesn't want to serve Prospero, because every now and then in Act 2, Scene 2, he has requested Stefano to be his master, and that he has agreed upon falling down upon Stefano's foot and doing whatever Stefano wants him to do, and then but not to be a slave to, instead of being a slave to Prospero, who according to him is a very tyrant person. Then all these points you can form and write in your answer. Is it clear? Is this question clear? What all you can write in this question? Is it clear? What impression do you form of Caliban? Some portion from Act 1, Scene 2, and then some portion from Act 2, Scene 2. You can combine and write as the events had taken place in the play itself. Now this question can be discussed once you have completed the entire drama, but the question can be, but the answer will be from this scene only. The question is, discuss The Tempest as a comedy. Give instances from the text. Discuss The Tempest as a comedy. Give instances from the text. Clear? You have to discuss The Tempest as a comedy, give instances from the text. If this answer comes, you have to write, only about Act 2, Scene 2 in your answer. That is the act which deals with comedy, that is Act 2, Scene 2, because it has sort of released the atmosphere and it has provided comedy. How it has provided comedy? You can quote the way Stefano had pulled Trinculo's leg and had pulled Trinculo out of Caliban's cloak or Caliban's loose garment that he was wearing, and it sort of creates comedy and brings humor to the play. All these instances from the scene you can write, and then then Stefano's encounter with Caliban and Stefano's assumption that Caliban was some divine monster because it had 2 voices and 4 legs, and how he assumed that it had 2 voices and 4 legs. All these you can discuss in context to comedy that has been provided in context to the comedy that it has provided to the play. Is it clear? Then when you are discussing this, you can also write about Gonzalo. when Gonzalo had discussed Lady Dido, and when Gonzalo gave witty replies to Sebastian and Antonio during their conversation in Act 2, Scene 1. That also you can quote, because it has also provided some sort of comedy, because they were and then Gonzalo saying that his intentions were just to cheer up the king, that is cheer up the king of Naples, that is King Alonso, because he was very grieved by the loss of his son Ferdinand, and all these you can quote and write. Okay, clear? Is it clear, children? Is it clear? And then you can also write about, then you can also write how then you can also write how Gonzalo in Act 2, Scene 1 had said that he would be the, if he were the king of this island, how he would behave, like he would be, there will be no ruler, there will be no profession, there will be nothing, and people will live in their dreaming world. But it is not possible in real life, because if there will be no ruler, then who will have control? Then this speech of Gonzalo can also be taken in the form of a comedy that it has provided to the play, because it released the atmosphere, the tension in the atmosphere that was created in the play. And then you can quote about this scene, that is Act 2, Scene 2, where we have come across the fact that the characters who are introduced, they have interacted with us in a serious way, but their seriousness has provided comedy to the play. Is it clear? That is Stefano, Trinculo and Caliban. Their communication with each other has actually provided comedy to the play. Though they have interacted with us on a serious note, but their interaction has sort of provided humor to the play. Is this much clear to all of you? Is this much clear? Okay.